Watch mommy, okay? Oh!
First try ah.
Oh, almost closed it.
Galing ano? Oh! That was close, okay?
Oh, watch me. Mm. Bah!
Crying.
Aray!
Wait, watch me attempt to do it on the
Binato mo naman sa akin.
Oh, the table! Oh, Tina did it!
Amazing.
I told you I haven't tried one.
Mushrooms na yung... Okay, try. Tender, ha?
Oh, put it.
Try natin kay Kuya.
Please do not throw things
You wanna
in
try?
my way. Oh, you'll put it. No. I can't. Sorry.
Sarap? Sobrang
Wow.
sarap? Makes you wanna dance? Okay, eat more.
Daddy, will you open it?
Yummy egg tart. Love you.
Love you.
Sorry, eat. Nakamushroom.
Awkward.
You need the cord.
Push. Tulungan ko na. Sana wala ganong tao.
See? Mommy, you want Kit Kat? More bubbles!
Say hi! Say hi!
Hi!
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Smile. Like you're happy. Big smile. Okay. Ballerina. Tina. Tina.
Yeah.
Ballerina. Umiikot na. Lumabas kami ulit. Nag-swimming lang saglit. Tapos bumalik kami rito sa third floor. Sa taas. Puro ano to eh. Puro kainan yung taas. Naghahanap kasi si Joanne ng ano. Ng ihaw-ihaw. Ihaw-ihaw ba yung hanap mo, mami?
Ha?
Ihaw, ihaw.
I want the skewers. But
Yeah.
it's not appropriate for the kids though.
Maanghang na ihaw-ihaw.
Matcha cake.
Oh.
I love that. Matcha cake.
Matcha.
Matcha cake.
Machakit. Ganda ng design sa loob. Oh. Spicy jongay. Ramen. No, parang Japanese doon. Tapos dito Chinese na nahati, no? Sa tayo. O, doon muna. Sa... Dito tayo sa ano?
Japanese. We already tried it.
Japan. Wala namang ihaw-ihaw dito. Yung ihaw-ihaw nandun yata sa labas. Sa may main street.
I guess it's
Ah,
Korean barbecue and then more on noodles sila.
oo.
Do you wanna have malatang ba muna and then have skewers later or?
Ano yun? Sabi mo
Well.
ihaw-ihaw lang tapos
Sa labas lang siya. So we're heading back.
balik tayo sa labas. Kasi dito puro restaurant eh, no? Wala yung hanap mo yung mga ihaw-ihaw. Okay. Bukas pa naman yung karamihan. Mga inumin. Yung bakery sarado na. Dalawang bakery. Ice cream. Sabi nag-iihaw kanina. Ha?
Egg tart.
Ano na
Bili
na?
lang daw siya ulit ng egg tart.
Bili daw sila ulit ng egg tart. Ganda.
Yeah, sure. Do you need a bag of oranges?
Ito yata yung bitin.
19.
Ay, hindi. Angela.
Thank you.
Ang bilis ah.
That's it.
Yan na tayo.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Walang plastic.
Do we need one?
Huwag na, hawakan ko na lang. Hawakan ko na
Kasi
lang.
meron na tayo dun eh.
Hawakan ko na lang para may patungan yung camera.
Let's go. Tina, I got your egg tart.
Kakainin niya na ngayon. Aba, natakam si Athena eh. Go, Tina, sige. Natakam eh.
Coconut juice?
Siya lang. Pasko pa rito ah. Pasko pa rin eh. Tingnan nga, ano ba yung order?
Sorry.
I am so.
Can I take a photo first?
Kung ano binili pero yung ihaw-ihaw di pa rin namin mahanap. Ah, dun sa Main Street. No, yung parang market
Oh,
ano.
how
Tara,
much
akit
ring
tayo dun.
daddy? Oh, how much ring?
Akit tayo dun na.
You wanna have it? We'll go there first.
Tara, akit tayo. Yun, dito. Open pa. Hanggang alas 10 pa to eh.
You want that one now?
Ngayon,
That one.
Oh, sige na.
talaga naman. Eh, parang nagliligpit na.
Do you want one
May tinda pa ba?
Tina?
Ah, meron pa. Bukas
You
pa yung
want the
kalan eh.
cheesy boy?
Ah.
You want one too, Jojo?
Nakapila yata to, mami. Mami. Ah.
We got cheese, custard, or chocolate. Which one?
Ano ang mga tinda?
plenty of room in the tank.
You want cheese too? 5 minutes. Thank you.
Ay, kagat-agad oh.
Let's go. Wow,
Still
yummy.
happy na.
Can you show it? Show it, mommy. Picture, Tina.
At pa. Mumuna tayo para hindi tayo nakaharap.
Come on, let's
Have you seen, Alex?
Wow.
I'm nearly there.
Hold it with 2 hands. Hold it with 2
Smells good?
Can I take a photo? Yeah.
Picture daw sila, picture.
Sakto. Come on, let's go. No. Come on, let's go.
Sige na, baka magsara na yung
Mommy,
hawan mo.
daddy's turn. It's hot, ha? You blow. I'll hold it.
Sina, watch me.
No, I can't do this.
Ayun, mukhang nakita na ni John. Ito kaya yan? Ito nga. Ito ba yan, mami? Ha? Ah, mission success. Nag-iihaw pa ba siya?
We got barbecue beef.
Ah, yes ha.
$10.
Ano gusto mo?
I'll go money, daddy.
No. Thank you.
Daddy, I know
Ganyan
that
pala to,
one.
oh.
I know that
Okay.
one, daddy. I
Huh?
know that one.
Ah, galing mo naman ah. Yummy, Jojo?
Daddy, I know that
Ay!
one. Daddy, I know that one. Daddy, I know that one. Oh, we want that.
Alright. Oh, you drink? You wanna drink?
Nope.
Uy!
Oh, it's for my
Tama,
food.
More? Bye-bye.
Huh?
Right. Sige, hilahin mo. Okay, gawin pa naman laruan. Ayun, daming dala.
Yummy. Is it good?
Mommy,
Happy si Missy.
I said we are running too fast.
Happy.
Running too fast.
Ah, sige, upo ka.
Let's go, let's go.
Upo ka, upo.
Daddy.
Walang lamesa eh.
Check in.
Dito na lang tayo.
Drink over here.
Hi, mid go.
Nasa mid. Nasa mid. Pinagaroan kasi.
You have to
Pick the out,
go on it.
miss.
No talking.
Hindi, ito, drink. Inom siya, inom. Jojo,
Small
drink ka.
bite, okay? Small bite.
Jojo, drink. Drink ka dito.
Small bite.
Dali, drink. Ito. Nasa mid sa keso.
Make sure small bite
Lana?
and then you chew on it, okay?
Lana? Okay na?
Siya na lang.
High five.
No, spicy. This
My
is
turn now. Our turn
beef.
now.
Sige, kain, man.
Our turn now. Food. Our turn, mommy.
This is beef.
Beef yan.
Our turn, mommy.
Beef.
Our turn now. Which one my food?
Nasaan ba ka?
Which
Nasa
one my
baka?
food? Our turn, mommy. Our turn now. Which one my food? Our turn.
Your coin?
That one my food?
No, this is spicy for daddy.
Mommy, our turn now. Our turn. Which one
You
my
wanna
food?
try it?
No, our turn now.
Okay.
My turn now.
Oh, what's your turn?
Yeah, which one my food?
This one. Not like that. Like
I
this.
do good.
Sweet naman.
Our flip.
Mm.
Our flip pata. Don't sibo. Don't con sibo.
Yummy yan.
Bar. I'm gonna give it.
May dadaan yata, mama.
It said only one, Daddy.
Okay.
One more.
No. Alright
There
po.
you go. Thank you.
Ah, may hiwa pa yung bibig ko.
Are you gonna feed mommy again? Okay.
Don't
Oh, careful. Careful,
Careful ha.
ha? Thank you. You okay?
Sige.
You can put it on. Huh? Four, I'm gonna fish Daddy.
Last one.
This one. I hate them. Those. Like that.
Ayan na.
Sideways.
Sideways, sabi niya. Wait, Sander.
That one, not sideways. That one, sideways.
Careful with Kuya.
Wow!
Kuya, not too close.
Wow!
Yay!
Thank you.
Four, I'm gonna feed you.
No more.
Pauwi na kami. Nakakita pa siya ulit ng ihaw-ihaw. Ayan o.
Sorry, baby.
Talaga hindi pa sold sa unang binili. Food trip ka. Diet daw.
Diet pa more.
Sige. Nakalimutan niya na yung masakit yung leeg niya. Pagkain lang pala gamot eh. Ang dami kinukuha ni Mrs. Oh. Mami, baka naman di na tayo matunawan yan. Maghahating gabi na.
Hindi. Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi, sige, hindi. Binibiro lang kita. Sige, kakain ako. Pero masarap siya.
050.
Sarap pala yun.
Ito pala dapat ang pinipicturean mo.
Kaya nga, yung paggawa niya. Yun, no? Ah, sarap. Kami na tayo ito eh. Mami, 051 ka ba? Ah, 52. Hindi sa atin yan. 052. Ikaw na, Mami. Yun, salamat po. Masaya na naman yun, no? Tara na.
Can I put it over here?
Hey,